This is the County Road 100 East grade crossing, located on the BNSF Mendota Sub, west of Neponset, Illinois. Here we have two newer gated signals, each with LED lights and each with an E-bell. There's nobody looking north. Get a look here at the southern signal. Main lights, we got 12 by 24 inch Dialight ball LEDs and Safetran frames. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 079724S. Up top there we got a GS Type 3 bell. Got a single-sided Siemens base. Siemens imprinted gate mechanism with a GSI gate saver. Side view of the lights with a Safetran junction box. Back view of the southern signal. This gate has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Here's the back view of the southern signal. Here's an overview now looking south to get a look here at the northern signal. This one we got a set of side lights as well. Again, these are the same thing, 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs inside. Oddly enough, they're already looking kind of faded. Typically you see that with like the 90s era Safetran lights, but not with the newer ones. It's weird. Here's the dot tag again. Another single-sided Siemens base. Siemens imprinted gate mechanism with a GSI gate saver. Side view of the lights of the Safetran junction box. Side look at the side lights. Back view of the lights. This gate also has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. And on top we got another GS Type 3 bell. Here's a back view of the northern signal. Here's the relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. Grate here is all wood and it looks like it was recently resurfaced. Weird then that they kept it wood. Track view facing west towards Kewaunee, Galva, Watauga, and Galesburg. And track view facing east into Neponset and towards Wyanett, Princeton, Mendota, and eventually Aurora. So these signals were installed in, I believe, 2020, and they replaced a pair of crossbucks. This crossing was the last one east of Kewaunee on the entire Mendota Sub to feature just crossbucks and no signals. I believe there's still 2 crossings west of Kewaunee that still have them. So passive crossings are not dead on this line just yet, but I know at least one of them is scheduled to get new signals sometime in the next couple of years, so I imagine we'll see new signals out there soon. Right now BNSF is doing a lot of signal work east of here, around Neponset and towards Princeton and Malden. So I imagine those passive crossings will be safe for a little while yet, but not for long. But yeah, this has been the County Road 100 East grade crossing.